In this video, I will show you how to set up Dolby Atmos on your PC for your home theater and completely free. This is for Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, check my other video, link in the description. First, open the Microsoft Store. You can search it down here. Then, search Dolby Access and install the app. Once installed, just open it and go to Products tab. Here you will find two options, Dolby Atmos for headphones, which you have to pay for some reason, and Dolby Atmos for home theater, which is completely free, so click that one. Then click Go to Settings. Here go to Output and select your home theater, and click Device Properties. Then in Spatial Sound, select Dolby Atmos for home theater and click Configure. Finally, you can choose to turn on the channel upmixer if you want. And there you go, now you can enjoy your home theater sound in your games, so have fun. And don't forget to tell me what system you have and how it sounds. If you like this video, leave a comment and click the like button. That helps me a lot. For more tutorials like this, consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.